Hey guys, today I'm working with a Maytag Bravos XL washer. Now it's an HE designation washer. It's the newer type. Right now it's getting started with that wash load filling up. We've just got it on rapid wash, so should move through this whole thing in about 40 minutes. It's just getting started sensing the load. It'll stop, add water, and kind of do that whole thing until it gets the appropriate amount. Then it'll switch over to wash cycle. Right now it's on fill. So it's got some indicators to let you know where you're at in the cycle. Tons of options for your settings here. But I always do these videos just so that you know what you're spending your money on works. When you get it home, plug it in, you'll be good to go. That's how I like to shop, so that's how I like to sell my items. So we'll let this thing go ahead and move over into the wash cycle. I'll show you that it's got a fills up with water like it's supposed to, drains the water out. It's got a nice fast spin cycle on it too, nice and quiet. So and then we'll move over to the dryer. Here we go in the wash cycle. It's got those towels just about submerged there in the water. And when this one in particular fills up, it'll actually run water through the soap, bleach, and fabric softener dispensers, which is pretty cool. Alright, we'll let it move on through. Alright, we've moved out of the wash cycle into the rinse cycle. It's already done its first spin. You can see there all the clothes are kind of shifted to the outside. It's got a pretty fast spin, but so we've been through the first drain. Now we're going through the rinse cycle, and what I'll come back for next is the final spin cycle. We are into that final spin cycle. This will actually spin and speed up from here, but you can see that's plenty fast to see that it's got a nice smooth spin cycle. Sounds great. And part of the HE designation is that it spins these so fast that it extracts a ton of water, which will actually cut your drying time in half. So it saves you all around energy, electricity, all that good stuff. So we'll go ahead and let that finish up, and I'll show you the dryer. Alright, now I've got those clothes moved over to the dryer. If it looks like those LEDs are flashing, they're not actually flashing. Sometimes the camera on this phone makes it, at least to me, they look flashing, and sometimes I'll go back and they don't even look like it when I replay the video. But there we go, we've got that load in the dryer. You can see the light works, everything on this guy here works. We'll just switch it over to heavy duty, hit go. And I'm going to take just a second. You can see spins nice, quiet, smooth operation. I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating. I'm also going to put my little vent on the back too. You'll see it actually makes it considerably quieter. So let me grab my heat gun and I'll come right back after a couple minutes of it heating up. Okay, and with the vent put on the back, you can't even barely hear it running over my fan especially. Super quiet operation. And then this is a surface temperature gun. Right in between those two red dots, it's going to take a surface temperature measurement. You can see there in Fahrenheit about 82, 83 degrees. And that changes depending on what we're shining those lights on. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this door. Shine it right inside the heating element tube there. You can see plenty of heat coming out of that tube. And that in turn heats up the inside of your dryer anywhere from about 95 up to 195. Just kind of depends on what you set these heat settings here at. Close that. You've got tons of options, high all the way down to extra low. You can set a dryness level for the auto settings. So this will take care of your delicates, it'll take care of your heavy duty, and then you've got tons of options. You could just go straight to delicates where it sets all that for you if you wanted. Just starts right back up. So we'll let this go ahead and finish up and get these listed up for sale. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Y'all have a great day. Thank you.